Sphingolipids are a class of complex lipids found in the cell membranes of animals and some plants. They have a unique structure that gives them important functions in the cell. Sphingolipids all share a common backbone molecule called a sphingoid base. The sphingoid base is a long, chain-like molecule with an amino group NH2 at one end and a hydroxyl group O at the other. Attached to the sphingoid base is a fatty acid chain. The type of fatty acid chain can vary depending on the specific sphingolipid. Finally, a head group can be attached to the sphingoid base by an amide linkage. The head group can be a variety of different molecules, such as a phosphate group, a sugar, or a combination of both. Sphingolipid structure. The different combinations of sphingoid bases, fatty acid chains, and head groups give rise to a wide variety of sphingolipids. Some of the most common types of sphingolipids include ceramides, the simplest type of sphingolipid, consisting of a sphingoid base and a fatty acid chain. Sphingomyelin ceramides with a phosphocholine head group. Glycosphingolipids ceramides with a sugar head group. Functions. Sphingolipids play a variety of important roles in the cell. Some of their key functions include maintaining cell membrane structure. Sphingolipids help to form the structural backbone of the cell membrane. They interact with cholesterol and phospholipids to create a strong, flexible barrier that surrounds the cell. Cell signaling. Some sphingolipids, such as sphingosine 1-phosphate, can act as signaling molecules. They can bind to receptors on the cell surface and trigger a variety of cellular responses, such as cell growth, differentiation, and survival. Cell recognition. The sugar head groups of glycosphingolipids are unique to each cell type. This allows cells to recognize each other and interact with each other in specific ways. Intracellular trafficking. Sphingolipids can help to transport other molecules within the cell. Sphingolipid dysfunction. Disruptions in the normal metabolism of sphingolipids can lead to a number of diseases, collectively known as sphinголipidoses. These diseases are often caused by mutations in the genes that encode the enzymes needed to synthesize or degrade sphingolipids. Some examples of sphinголipidoses include Gaucher disease, Krabbe disease, and Niemann-Pick disease. Sphingolipids are an essential component of cell membranes and play a critical role in many cellular functions. Understanding the structure and function of sphingolipids is important for our understanding of cell biology and human health.